What's going on, everybody? I do apologize. It is about 9:30, 10 o'clock at night, so I do have to be a little quiet. I do live literally about 20 feet away from another house. So tonight is just basically going to be a quick vlog of what to expect in my next video. I know that in my last video I did my headers. Well, it sounded really good without the exhaust completely connected to it. And what I have on there is a 70 series by Flowmaster. And it's an excellent exhaust. But that sound that I was getting from the headers in my last video, it sounded so much better. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to muffler delete altogether, and I'll custom fabricate some piping and stuff and see what I can do about making it a dual pipe system. And I have been working on the fog lights. That'll be in the next video as well. Not quite sure exactly if the next video is going to have the muffler system. We are going to try to throw that in. But we definitely need to work on fuel related issues, and what I need to definitely get next is the fuel rails and fuel injectors. I do apologize not getting videos out in time, and editing has been a little bit difficult because I've been having to take care of things at home, plus watching my daughter while my wife's at work. And my daughter is only 3 years old, so she's pretty handsy on everything. She likes to touch and explore and stuff. So I do apologize. Like I said, this is just a quick vlog, quick video of what's to come. Again, like I said, the fog lights, my SLDX fog lights that came with my 52-inch curved LED bar, those are going to be installed. I've already got the inserts for the original fog lights already cut out. We just need to kind of button everything up and have it sit flush a little bit, not too flush, because you're still going to have a little bit of a circle into it where it's going to have a little bit of a gap. So what we're going to do is I'm probably going to run out to either maybe a Lowe's or a Home Depot, or maybe to an O'Reilly's or AutoZone in the area, and see if we can find some type of like just a rubber gasket to put around the rings so that it doesn't look all yeah, just bear with me. Some more videos are going to be posting up here shortly. I do apologize. Like I said, it is about 9:30, 10 o'clock at night, and I do have to keep it down because I don't want to have law enforcement's come over to my home, and there is a sound ordinance here in North Carolina for 9 o'clock p.m. So, but with that being said, again, please follow me on this journey. Bear with me. More videos are going to be coming. Like I said, if you have any comments, please leave them down below. Please check out some of my last videos. I know I sounded more like a talk show host in my first video. It's because I was very nervous and I was trying to impress and not being myself. So this is basically me being myself. So yeah. Anyways, please stay tuned. Leave any comments down below. But yeah, please hit that like button. See you guys next time on my show. Like I said, we're gonna do fog lights. We're gonna hopefully get the exhaust, straight pipe it, and then definitely need to get the fuel rails and fuel injectors, and maybe change out the fuel filter and see how that looks, and we'll go from there. All right, and stay tuned for more, because I have been looking out for a turbo system for this truck, and I think I might have found one for a very reasonable price. So we'll go from there. I have to get some other tools and equipment, but yeah, I will see you guys later on my next video. Peace, guys.